You have to put a predator barrier on it.
Oh, okay.
And this water is probably 18 inches low right now. That's good, honey. All right. I'm gonna walk right in front of him. Okay, he's gonna need, you guys are gonna set the post. I'm gonna put these braces on it and make sure it's vertical before we throw the concrete in.
All right,
Does
put
that
that
make
in
sense?
first.
Yep, hand him this.
And it's really, really mucky.
Yeah, so you have to walk in it.
Okay, hand him this. Better take a couple because he might miss and fall in the water. And he's going to need your help.
Okay.
Just can't do it all with one hand now.
All right, what do you need first?
Need to hold that.
Got it, buddy?
Yep.
Okay.
One should be enough.
For what we're doing at the moment.
Yep.
There you go.
Push. This way?
No, I would do it the exact opposite way.
Okay, well, that's the wrong way.
Well. Okay, here's the level. And unfortunately, the whole dang thing is all cattywampus, so you probably have to level it from the top of the 4x4. Are you listening?
Yeah.
You have to level it. Lay that across the top of the blocks. Yep.
Okay, let me get this one sunk first.
No, you can't. Okay, so pull it towards you, Brittany. No, your side. There you go. And then point it the other way, the whole, nope, like from me to out there.
Yeah, rotate it.
Spin it, no, put it on top and spin it.
Oh, that way.
Yeah.
Okay, now move it that way until it's even.
You can put you can nail the 2x4 in with one nail, and you can pivot it that way.
It's so mucky that, honey, help her out. She doesn't know what she's doing.
Oh, that way. Okay, I didn't know.
Yeah, put the bubble in the middle between the lines.
Okay, and then level it the other way again. I just want to get it kind of sort of.
If I would have been thinking, I have a post level at home.
In order for you to do that, the foot of that one is going to have to move probably almost a foot this way. Because the angle's bad.
Okay, which direction?
To the left. Up.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want this level there?
Got it, Reed?
Yeah.
Okay. Brittany, you're going to have to hold that middle pole tight.
Yeah, hand her the level.
Okay.
And we can always.
Okay. Hold it tight.
Hand me the nail.
Hey, it's not a tree, so the duck better be happy.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, here's one more.
Okay, which direction do you want him?
Probably coming back towards the, won't you put the point this way? So it'll point into
It's
the,
stuck.
yeah, so it'll point into the shore. On the other side, buddy. There you go. Get it?
Yep.
You want to level it somewhat?
Yeah. Go ahead and do the leveling.
Pull it towards you. Okay, now do it the other way, and it's either going to come towards me or away from me. Good?
It's like, well, a little bit over there.
Pull it towards me just a touch.
No, now it's going more that way.
Got it?
Okay.
Okay, hand me the level and hold that middle one real tight. Like push down on it. It's all right.
I am so in the wrong position for this.
You think so?
Yep.
Here comes America's Funniest Home Videos. I'm waiting.
Oh no. Oh, yeah.
I'm waiting for her to open the bag of Quick Rate and I'm going to pour it and whisk them.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
All right.
Let's check the level
Now
again.
check the level and try to.
And then just bang the 2x4s down. Towards you, Britt.
Okay. Whack that left one down, honey.
Put it back up there, Brittany.
I'm working on it.
Other way. Yep.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, honey, get that a good set. Looks good.
Okay.
Okay, go the other way.
Turn it the other way, Brett. Gotta fix it.
Yeah,
Push it
lean
towards
that
him.
way a whole lot.
You know what you should do? Put the quick read in, and it'll help hold it up and down. And then level it.
Okay.
We're right there, but this one isn't one to.
That's fine. Once it's heavier, it won't wiggle around as much.
Okay.
All right. Hand me the level.
Here, I'm gonna give this to you,
Okay.
and I'll hand them it's
Okay.
videoing.
Make sure she blows out when she pours that in. You're going to need that hammer, honey,
Okay, for what?
to attach the box.
Okay. There's her.
There it goes.
Oh God.
Crap.
What?
Our pro brace came off. Not a big enough hole.
It's alright.
It's all good. Okay. She has more nails in her pocket.
No, I don't have nails. That was my last one. I thought I did.
Empty that half a bag in there and then let her struggle with the second half. Are your feet wet yet?
Of course.
Not yours.
I'm not questioning it. I'm trying not to.
I don't know if you're gonna need that one.
You might not. Give her the half a bag, Kay.
Okay, just a little more.
And then lean all the way to the left and hold that pole for her so I can get a good picture of her.
You guys are trying to make me fall.
It's hard work.
Only one.
All we need is one, yeah, like
Which
you
one does it
said.
go in?
Around
Either
the pole.
side, just in the bucket, or aim for the bucket.
Okay. Say big mark.
Grab the bottom of the bag and pick it up.
Okay, 1 second.
Go on the back if you can get it.
Yeah, the deeper part, like into the pond.
Lean out as far as you can.
You guys are all trying to make me fall.
Let go of the left hand and just hold the right side. Just let it dump in there.
Ah.
Smart girl you got there, buddy.
She's motivated to not fall in the pond.
Excellent.
I'm not sure I'll ever get it to you. Good that way.
I was going to say, I'm going to laugh when you fall in for trying that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
If you let it go, will it stay? For now. Can you get closer on it, honey? And if we put this box up there, is it going to stay,
It should.
do you think? Long enough for a picture?
It should.
We won't even screw it on.
Oh, we can do it.
Hey, you want me to hand that to them?